Welcome to the
JORVIK Viking Festival. It's really fun.
It's really fun, everybody gets involved, everybody's happy.
Lots to do, lots to see, lots for young kids and families.
A brilliant atmosphere, seeing a lot of old friends and reenactors.
It's really nice to just see everyone gather and learning about history.
It surpassed my expectations.
The kids' battle, that was fun, getting attacked by hundreds of kids.
We got to battle them. I like kids.
They did get to kill their parents, so I can see I feel like that was better.
The dig? Yeah, the dig was quite fun. Oh, we would, so you need to dig. You could find, different fossils. We were digging bones and keys and pennies. I put seeds and nuts and raisins and worms in it.
We came for the festival and then we've come here today just for the crafts and my daughter.
The people you meet here and the experiences you have extend far beyond what you expect.
Fun-filled week of Vikings and mead.
It's definitely cool.
Come here and have a good time.
I always like the march through Parliament Street.
To come see the march and see a giant spectacle of people dressed in their traditional Viking garb marching through the street. That's just such a spectacle to see.
The crowd is really good and they try and run at you, so you run back at them.
We just saw an amazing battle, didn't we?
Yeah.
The feast, of course.
Oh yeah.
The feast is always good.
Yeah, it was good. Our old law tradition.
We shall delight him with a test of strength. Who is our best dressed Viking and who has the best beard? Having a good time!
Viking games, that was pretty good.
Yeah, there were the wolves and the boars. The wolves won.
Berserk boot camp. Yeah, I get my sword and shield and go whacking the bits that hung around.
First of all, we started slaying sacks. We did a bit of hitting posts, so that was quite fun. And then we did a bit of axe throwing. And then we got to try some real Viking stuff on, like helmets and stuff.
I really enjoy the marketplace. I like meeting the traders. They're so generous with their time and their knowledge.
I bought myself 2 little big axes for in here.
Some quality stuff that they've made, mainly by hand.
We learned about mead. We tried some mead. Honey? Fermented honey. Imagine that. We went and saw the spectacular last night. That was really cool.
The cursed sword was pretty cool. I like that one.
Being there when it's all dark and seeing all the lights lit, I just feel really atmospheric. You see the tree and the sort of golden lights, and you've got Clifford's Tower in the distance. And
I like the fights and all the cosplays and everything there.
And it's nice to see loads of different people all dressed up and getting involved as well. Well, nice to see all the Vikings just mixing with the public around town as well.
Brings all the visitors to the city.
I just love the kind of gods they have. Legends, Thor, Odin, Hela, giants, all that.
You have people from all different interests all coming together. You don't have to be a Viking to enjoy it.
Come, it's an amazing show. There's lots of cool battling. Yeah, just being there is cool.